long before phone, you see it?
All and bamboo stay
Boss
right now, families and friends. Yaganti. Now me move on to the next story right now, cause this story right here, a lot of people are pray this story. Cushane Carter, yeah, aka CMR. His arrest file has been released and people are talk about it. And right now, if I did my family, them boy, they would have get certain teaching. You are going to I mean, I talk about no verbal. So Cushane Carter, after he was arrested, documents have surfaced Tuesday from the police department of Apoca. The police department in Florida, I think Orange County. Reports are that this boy and him so-called stepdaughter, it appears to be a 13-year-old, detailing that the minor initially reported the incident to someone at her school, who later called the police. The 13-year-old told the police of multiple touching incidents involving Carter. As per report, the minor detailed that she did not want Cushane, who is best known as CMR, to get in trouble because he's a good man, other than his lewd act towards her. The list victim pointed out that latest and most outrageous incident took place on the morning she reported the incident, which involved her pants being pulled down. What a nasty boy. This man have a big woman and decide his gratification is to tamper with him stepdaughter. Now rumors have it saying, I woman Chrissy go bail him. I am not saying that's true, but rumor has it say a Chrissy go bail him. The listed victim pointed out that the latest and most outrageous incident took place the morning that she reported the incident involving pulling down her pants and her breast being fondled. However, it was not reported that there was any penetration that took place. Let me repeat. This is per the 13-year-old victim. On the other hand, as part of report, CMR dismissed the claim and instead said that he did go to the room which she was in and told her to get ready for school and saw her with herself on the ground in the room. Me skip out what him say. Wanna put it together. Saw her with herself. Saw her space with herself on the ground in the room. Now, as per CMR, he told her to stop with herself and get back in the bed. CMR, who is currently out on bond, was instructed not to return to the home nor get in contact with the listed victim. People, them people are sick. I don't give them the word that we can use for them people here. These people are sick. I mean, Cushane Carter, aka CMR, is in the United States of America, the land of the free and the home of the braves. But him want turn it into the land of the freaks and the home of the slaves. Because right now, the freaky attitude and mentality where you have in your imagination, you need to leave that where you come from. The boy have the big woman, Chrissy, where push out multiple toddler. But you see what the boy want do? Him want pick a fruit before it ripe. Boy, you bright. Uncle Sam have something for you. It name Bangle. Shanku man uncle. So Cushane, your troubles are just starting. Cause you have to go register as a ex-defender. Me not talk about no Twitter. We are talk about a ex-defender. And that is something that you cannot get rid of. No retreat, no surrender. Everybody know you. So right now, Cushane is out on bail. And I'm have to lawyer up right now. Because a couple things you don't want to get charged with, you know. And this is one of them. Now, I have to be telling you this in a serious way. The mother, I'm really disappointed in the mother as far as forwarding, because obviously, you know, a social media personality. Chrissy have not forward on the social media to tell people what her feelings are, not even about the situation, but express that she's sad and disappointed in Cushane of his actions, and explain that she is supportive of her daughter or whatsoever have you. Because what I've seen online as far as her video is some kind of, what I would say, like a OnlyFans kind of video. So I don't know how to use this thing yet, because I have to really redo my system. What I mean is like, it's like this girl is out on the internet like she look man, basically. Because I was shocked to see her on the internet saying that she look somebody for married. Now, I have a video of Cushane in court, so, you know, might as well I and I man play it, because, yeah, it is out there. And it's amazing still, you know. So this girl would be going through a situation like this. And at that she choose for company internet can do. Can't tell people say she a look man. Well, here's a video of Cushane right now.
I reviewed a probable cause charging affidavit that charges you with lascivious behavior, child, and I do find probable cause.
So she has shown him some boy
well,
in
actually,
court right now, and me have a affidavit.
Well, actually,
I said, boy, you get charged with some load and lascivious thing. The audio
Cushane
kind of know about.
I reviewed a probable cause charging affidavit that charges you with lascivious behavior, child, and I do find probable cause. I will appoint the office. Well, actually, this indicates that you don't qualify for the office of public defender. Sir, raise your right hand to be sworn in. Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
So this affidavit that I'm looking at says that you have take-home pay of about $55,000 a year, correct?
Say that again?
It says you have take-home pay after taxes of about $55,000 a year.
That's the calculation I made for this year. Prior year we were doing, because I'm self-employed, I was doing well, but based on finances, so it seemed this year.
All right, so you're in jail right now. Do you get any money while you're in jail from your job?
No, ma'am. What I do is
Just yes or no?
oh,
Okay.
no, ma'am.
All right, and you have VA benefits of $2,500 a month that you're receiving?
Yes, ma'am. And 13 something for schooling, but that ends in when this semester ends, which should be end of this month.
All right, that's the $1,300 you're referring to?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, based on his verbal testimony, I will find that he's got debts of $10,000 and he's incarcerated. He's not earning the income currently. So I will find that he does qualify for the services of a court-appointed attorney, and I'll appoint the Office of the Public Defender to represent him.
Thank you.
With respect to the charge, sir, of lewd or lascivious behavior or molestation, state wish to be heard. Is this, I don't think it's a dangerous crime.
That is correct. We would be motioning the court to help the defendant no bond at this time under Florida Statute 907-041 5D. We would be motioning for a pre-trial.
I'm going to deny your request. I'm going to set bond, given what I'm reading in the probable cause charging affidavit. And I'm going to set bond, sir, in the sum of $7,500 with special condition that you have no contact whatsoever with a listed victim. That means no contact whatsoever. Directly or indirectly, you will not return to the scene of the offense. You'll maintain separate residences. In other words, you won't be living with the child. Do you understand that?
Roger that.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Your Honor, he's just requesting a one-time return with law enforcement to get his things.
I'll grant that a one-time return.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And nasty them boy are nasty about grand. You hear what the judge said? Lewd and lascivious. Minor. Nastiness this the blouse and skirt. Me I tell you say people, me can't believe the Jamaicans they are foreign. I dirty up my name like that. You organ tea. Now like me that show you say, me see Chrissy she now pan line. I run off your mouth. I chat about she want man. Imagine families and friends. This girl must not have no heart to rot it. And she not have
I'm
no
getting a
sense.
divorce,
You
y'all.
organ tea. I
Listen,
guess I
if
don't
you
understand
in,
why she would think that it's appropriate for the pan line I do this at this time when her child is in such a hurting situation. I can't even find it because I can't even imagine how the youth feel. It's like she know I don't shame or something. Chrissy, come off of the internet, man, you're a fool. Listen to this clown.
I'm getting a divorce, y'all. Listen, if you're in the U.S. and you're looking for business marriage, hit me up because hotel tickets after that.
You hear what the girl
I'm getting
said?
a divorce, y'all. Listen, if you're in the U.S. and you're looking for business marriage, hit me up because hotel tickets after that.
So hold on,
I'm
family
getting a
and
divorce,
friend.
y'all.
She's a fool, she don't know so them she's a fool, she don't know them things they're illegal. You can't come on the internet and chat about you and look for your business marriage, you fool. Them things they're illegal. And right now, Donald Trump is in power. You better watch what you're doing any minute and every hour. Cushane Carter, fill up your local data and you dip on the internet, thirsty, like you want some more man water. Imagine this. You should have shame at yourself. Me have a video on my phone, me not even get to load it up. When me see like Cushane compliment our daughter, and the youth hold him hand, and the way the youth hold him hand, and the way our eyes are go down and up. Me no care what uno say. And now she just start get touched. Cushane, you is a nasty brute. Me I tell you, you is a nasty brute. Nasty. They are foreign. You go all in the military, because you hear upon the judge video, say you are veteran. And a little force ripe mango. You want to pick off a tree. Little force ripe mango. Look at nastiness. The judge shouldn't give you no bail. And some know them your judicial system you fail. Lord and serious. Allegedly, me want to say, but again, if smoke, where smoke the fire did it? Something a go on pan what a go on. And I and I man feel say the mother didn't know what go on pan what a go on. Business, marriage, then that means say your paper no good. Business, marriage, then if him in a military, if you get military benefits, and you there with him and have your picnic around him. Silly rabbit. And him not married you. And you there upon internet. I skin your teeth and I beat your chest. Before you keep your business private. And them think they are the downfall of you all. Me there upon the internet. But me try not to get too personal. You are going to. A Jamaican man, a vlogger, a person who have him face on public internet. Find yourself in this situation. Although they are just allegations, I'm telling you now, me not to deal with the girl them with another man children. Cause this is one thing. I am afraid they falsely accuse me of this. When me I go do, when me I go say. Just like how Don Reid accused me of eating the buff burger. What could I do? All when me not know her, everybody think I true. Ladies and gentlemen, Cushane Carter, aka CMR, round here him now go too far. Because him felt up the little force ripe mango. Him felt up the fruit. We not fit. And we not inna it. We not inna it. We not pick a fruit before it fit. Innocent just wither and drop off. And the mother did their skin teeth with you. A chat about she look business married. No shame. No shame. Before you cry. And I say my daughter's innocent. Has been damaged. Has been ruined. This man deceived me again. Because the other day me here say, only in some infidelity or some stuff. You are divorce him. And y'all look man already. My gosh. Unquote. Where are your morals? Where's your love for your daughter? No fiber of decency. On up stay off the internet, man.